Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the Customize Fields option within the Recruitment module in KEBS. The columns displayed within the Recruitment app can be toggled on and off and can be rearranged using the Customize option. Once the user has navigated to the Recruitment application, he or she can click on the Customize option and can toggle on and off the respective fields and can rearrange the same, and the changes will be reflected automatically. The user can rearrange the columns both within the Customize option as well as directly in the landing page. This is how field alterations work within the Recruitment module. Thank you for watching.